If you are saying this, the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer. If you trust the file and the source you received it from, open it to view its contents in Windows 11, then here is the fix for you. The first method is go to the search box and search for Windows PowerShell. Right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now go to the description and you will find this command. Simply type it and press enter to execute it. But make sure over here you will type the username of your PC and here you will type the folder where the file is located. In my case it is documents. That's it. The job is done. Now when you select a PDF, then preview will be there. But if this doesn't help you, then let's move to the next step. For that, go to the search bar and type Registry Editor and open it. Provide the access. Now from the description you will find this command. Just copy it and on the search bar of the registry editor select all, delete and just replace it with this on and hit enter. It will open up a policies folder over here. Right click on the policies folder, go to new and then select key and rename the key to attachments and hit enter. And in the right side, right click on it, over to new and select DO32-bit value. Now rename this file to safe zone information. Make sure it is case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase must be exactly the same. Hit enter. Double click on it to open it and change the value data to 1. Click on OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer for the change to take place. Now the next method is go to the settings from the search bar, open it, go to Windows Update, scroll of it down, go to update history, scroll of it down, select uninstall updates under related settings and here you will see security update for Microsoft Windows with this code. Just click on uninstall, click on uninstall. Once done, you can restart your PC and this should fix your issue now. If it still doesn't work, then simply search for PowerShell on the search bar and run it as an administrator. Select an S to allow the permission, then go to the description and you will get this command over there. Here in C, type the drive in which the file is located and here type the folder name inside which it is located and here type the file type. It also works on XML file, document files or PPT files even, and hit enter. This should now completely fix your problem. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Mac369